Naatak ya akon? Hala! 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 Hey guys, good morning. So we are now going to Safari Park in Carmen, Cebu. So I haven't read online about kung ano yung nandun, pero based sa nalalaman ko, yun yung pinakamalaking safari park dito sa Philippines. So I'm very excited to experience it, and based on what I also saw on their Facebook page, meron dong restaurants at iba't ibang mga rides or activities na pwedeng gawin. Pero dun sa
may zipline naman dito.
Ah, may zipline dito. Wow. Longest zipline?
Longest yan, pinakataas.
Wow, so we are here.
Welcome.
Magkano yung ano ticket? 300 lang? 900? Ah, ito 300, okay. Sige. Ano yung mga inclusion yan? Yung literal lang na yung all attractions. Pero yung mga rides, hindi pa kasali. Ano yung mga rides nyo dito?
Ziplines, skybike.
Weight restriction. Merong weight restriction yung zipline.
Merong weight requirements.
Ilang kilo?
70 kilograms.
Ay, andito ako dahil 100%. Okay, sige. Kung kayo ay pupunta sa Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, ay maganda ng 900 to 2,499 para ma-enjoy ang activities at experiences dito. Ang entrance fee ay 900 pesos lamang kung weekdays at 1,100 naman kung weekends at holiday. Included dito ang access sa park at lahat ng animal exhibit, Michael's Garden, bird show, African Savanna at ang White Lion Encounter. Pwede ka ring pumili ng iba't ibang package kasama ang adventure rides. Ang package A ay 1,350 kung weekdays at 1,550 naman kung weekends at holiday. Included dito ang access sa park at 2 adventure rides sa alinmang gugustuhin mo sa ATV Adventure, Zipline, Skybike o Giant Swing. Ang package B naman ay 2,499 kung saan ikaw ay may access sa lahat ng adventure rides at parks. Para hindi mauhaw mamaya, meron silang refreshment area dito na pwede kang bumili ng food or drinks bago pumasok. Thank you. Excited to go to the safari, people?
Excited na kahit bakit. Naka-ride na ako ng ATV. Parang excited pa rin ako.
Wow!
Lalo na kasi may maka-interact ka sa animals.
Animals! Ikaw, Karen, are you still excited? Kahit pangalawang beses mo na dito?
Speechless.
And we're heading to the park. Ang ganda ng nila, oh. Parang nasa Taiwan ka lang. Ako first time ako nakapag-zoo sa Taiwan. Ako dito first time. Dito first. Sa Manila ba na ito? This is really your first time? Mag-zoo? Yes. Pero mas mau pa yun kaysa pa. Like, the animals are free. Siguro, bago. Una naming pinuntahan ang aviary. Dito kasi hinihintay ang mga shuttles na lumilibot sa park, kaya ito ang magandang unahin. Dito ay pwede kang bumayad ng 100 pesos para sa bird feeding, ngunit kahit hindi mo na ito gawin, tsak ay dadapo ang mga ibon nito dahil napaka-friendly nila.
Ito nahan, ma'am.
Alak.
Picture, wait lang. Skin!
Sige, di na. Wow! Ayok. Bangin umit si Sarap.
Ay, gusto mo niyo ulo ko.
Hi! Daw. So cute. Pabira daw po yung kaptan, ano?
Papato, ikan? Oh my God!
Dam. Marami sa kanila.
Experience the thrill naman sa African Savanna Ride, ang pinakauna sa Pilipinas. Get up close with zebras and antelopes sa unique safari ride na ito. Take the vehicle tour sa African Savanna at pagmasdan ang iba't ibang hayop dito sa kanilang natural na habitat.
Tabang dollar. Okay.
So in front, those animals with brown color are the greater kudu. The greater kudu, the horns of the male, it can reach up to 74 inches and would twist once every 2 years. And they also have the ability to become motionless whenever there is an odor, which makes the predator choose another prey. So that's their defense mechanism. And they can live for up to 18 years in the wild and 30 years in captivity. And at the back, those are the eland. It's the second largest antelope and the slowest. They can only run up to 25 miles per hour, months or up to a year without drinking any water.
Wow,
Because they have a slow metabolism, then to keep them hydrated, they would only rely on the moist of the plants and grass that they eat to survive.
So
They are also the Qatar's national animal, also known as the
personal. Wala ko Qatar's national.
Okay, so once again, the gemsbok or the oryx gazelle. Or that's the blessbok. The blessbok, the white marks on their face, serves as their protection under the blazing heat of the sun. And they can run up to 70 kilometers per hour and can live for up to 20 years. And last at the back, those are the impala. The impala is the second smallest antelope and the fastest. They can run up to 90 kilometers per hour and can jump up to 3 to 4 meters in height. They just look like a deer but they do not belong to the deer family.
Tulog.
Excited for the white lion encounter. White lion encounter. Meet the king of the wild na tulog. Makikita mo sa White Lion Safari ang rare na puting leon na galing pang France and Germany. Sila ay nocturnal, kaya naman ay naabutan namin silang tulog.
The maturity age of a white lion is 7 years old. They are nocturnal, so they're usually active during the night and sleepy during the day. So as you can see, their skin is not that white anymore because they are not albino. They are leucistic animals, which means they adapt the climate where they live in. So here in the Philippines, it's very hot. That is why their skin is turning brown. But when they came here, white jud na sila. Then, they're being fed 8 kilograms of chicken or beef every once a day, every 4 p.m. So, their lifespan is 15 years in the wildlife, and here in captivity, it's 25 years.
Bird show. Huwag palagpasin ang bird show kada 1:45 p.m. Makikita mo dito ang iba't ibang aviary friends kagaya ng macaws, chattering lories, African crowned crane at mga raptors kagaya ng Philippine sea eagle, Philippine owl at Philippine hawk na nagpe-perform at gumagawa ng tricks na sobrang ma-enjoy ng buong pamilya, lalo na ang mga bata. Okay guys, so we're going to try the first adventure for today, the ATV. So I'm very excited because this is my first time to ano tawag ito? To ride. It's my first time to experience this. Adventure rides. Ang Cebu Safari and Adventure Park ay may iba't ibang rides. Isa na riyan ang ATV o all-terrain vehicle ride kung saan pwede kang pumili from beginner, intermediate at advanced. Pagkatapos nito ay sinubukan ko naman ang skybike kung saan ikaw ay magbabike sa ere na may taas ng 150 meter above the ground o kasing taas ng 50 floor na gusali.
Kailangan mo sa atong rides, kaya ang atong rides, ma'am sir, is no need to balance. Hindi lang kita hinay. Okay? About sa gadget, ma'am sir, bawal may kuhaan anang gadget sila, ma'am. Magbilin na nato, pitaka, yawi, o cellphone. Okay? Question, ma'am sir. Ano? Tayo na, okay? About sa bike, ma'am, okay lang bilhin ito mga bike. Atong bike, is no need to balance.
Lapok din yung TV sir, no?
About eating.
Pareho kong hold ani sir, kanya ano lang.
Okay? About sa gadget, ma'am, bawal na mo mag-cellphone, pitaka, yawi naman.
Hold sir sir, din staplet sir. First time sir, first time. Imong buhaton sir, umadlo ka. Building to building ngayon ang tanaw eh. Subos. Building to building. Then, pedal lang jud kay lagurong sir kay kung imurungan gahi mo siya pedalan sir. Start mo ha. Sakto lang ay lasag kusi kayo. Okay na sir.
Pedal!
Oo lang sir, sir. Dapat continue mo pedal. Okay,